back in Chandler, Arizona, where we just finished up a wood floor sanitary finishing project. It is an American cherry wood floor. Let's go inside and take a look how beautiful it turned out. There it is, and you can see in our previous video where we did the sanitary finishing before. And as you can see, it turned out beautiful and after. Let's go ahead and look at that amazing view. That's a backyard and that's an actual window. Looks like there isn't, but there is. And let's go ahead and focus on this beautiful cherry wood floor. You can see it just turned out magnificent. It is a solid wood floor. We did sand and refinish it with multiple papers, and we went with a natural oil-based finish on it. So if you're looking for any kind of flooring services here in the Valley, give us a call today, 602-446-2613, or you can find us online at www.royalwoodflooring.com. And let's go ahead and do a little walkthrough. Beautiful white cabinets, nice, clean, great condition. And you can see it turned out just awesome. We'll definitely have to get a new phone to make videos with then. Guess what this is? Oh yeah, it's a pantry. Never mind. Of course you guessed. Look at that. Beautiful colors. Beautiful. Just, oh, you can see when I turn on the light, it looks a little bit different than when the light is off. So let's go ahead and do a little more walkthrough. You can see the backyard. And let's go ahead and take a look at the overall job site. And we'll go upstairs for a bit too. Oh, nice chandelier. Very unique. See the backyard, it's got a little bit of a waterfall there. A little pool in the background. Very nice custom home. Not too many homes are this beautiful, but this one definitely is. As you can see, just amazing, smooth. Let's go ahead and see if we could see our. There it is. That's what you want to call. That's what you want to call if you have any issues with your floors. Give us a call today. We got a nice little TV stand, fireplace, and look at this amazing work of art. Beautiful inlays, nice crown molding, right? And that's the hallway. Let's go ahead and go upstairs and check out how beautiful the stairs turned out. Now, if this is not an amazing work of art, what is? Look at this. Wow. Beautiful baluster. And these are the stairs, as you can see. They're also cherry with a white riser. And oh, another beautiful work of art, light. Okay. Like you see in the previous video, pine. Pine, and it is rough pine. It's not even sanded. It's not even refinished. It still looks gorgeous. Now, look at that. Nice bright colors. Let's go ahead and see an overall view of the downstairs. And there it is. That's an American cherry for you. Truly one-of-a-kind flooring. It looks beautiful. It's a natural state. It doesn't need no staining, because if you do stain cherry or walnut, it will not come out as gorgeous as it does if it's a natural state of form. Let's go ahead and go on down the stairs. One more overall view of this beautiful home. As you can see, we talked about the wood flooring. It really just goes up to here. This hardwood. Got a carpet inlay in the middle. Beautiful clean white riser. And I'm amazed at this baluster. How beautiful it is. Haven't seen anything like this in all my years. I mean, this is really just custom made. Wow. Something you see only in fine homes like these that we work in. And there's that staircase one more time. leading up to the top. And there's a beautiful front door. And it does have a nice paneling on the back there. Now I'm really excited to upload this video. This beautiful work of art that we have completed. So, hope you enjoyed our video. And it was a little short this time, but we'll have nicer, better videos in the future. Just stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting us.